Hey, I'm Chris with Mobility Solutions, AffordableMedicalUSA.com. We just did a couple unboxings of the Ultra X over there, 3-wheel, 4-wheel. And now we're going to do an unboxing of the brand new GoGo Endurance Li. Model number is S54LXLIT, so LIT for lithium-ion battery. Two different seat sizes, two different types of batteries. They have an airline friendly and they have a long range battery. We'll go over that in our demo video. So it's going to come on a pallet. This is going to be the seat. The seat probably weighs about 27 pounds. This one's 23 pounds. It's a 17 by 17, but you can get a wider seat of 20 by 18 and be about 27 pounds. So we'll just put this to the side for now, and we're going to go ahead and go into this. So lithium-ion's like the new trend in power mobility scooters. It's been around for a little while in some of the fold-up units, but we're starting to see them now in power chairs, and then now these little GoGos have them. We've dibbled and dabbled a little bit with them. We have a supplier that we can take and put lithium-ion batteries and all this stuff, but we let the manufacturer usually do it. So when you open this box, it's always going to come packaged very well. Here's your manual. Inside your manual, you'll have a couple extra parts I would like for you to get out, and you can put those to the side, and we'll show you what those are for in just a little bit. Never seen a cotter pin in there. Your manual will have your serial number and stuff in it too when you open it up. Put that to the side. Buying this, you need to make sure you replace the charger with a lithium-ion charger, not an AGM or trickle charger that comes with AGMs. It's not a gel battery, it's not an AGM, it's a lithium-ion. So it's going to be lighter. It should give you a decent mileage, and they last longer. So watch our review video on it. We'll have that on the description later once we do it. This is your seat post. So we're just going to take that, put it to the side also, and put this to the side. Get started. So there's a lot of ways obviously to do an unboxing. Inside of here you're going to have shrouds. So you can get these in different color, and these are interchangeable. So if you get a color that you don't like, you can always change it later, but it comes in two different colors. This is the Euro Gray, and then they have the garnet red. It'll come with both sets. So it looks like this didn't go on the battery, and I'll show you what that is in a minute. Where's that battery? There's a battery on that one box. And then here, your battery will be shipped probably separate. It might eventually be put into here. Right now it might be coming separate. Here's your basket, front basket. Here's your charger. It's in green, so you know it's still a 3.5 amp hour charger. Your battery might be set here when you get it, or they'll send it separate. So if you get it separate when you get it, make sure you charge it up. I gotta find where we put ours, but it's definitely here. And then that's already loose, so you're just gonna bring this up, tighten it up, take this off. So it's just like the CT, the LX, but they now have a lithium-ion, so they make this with a regular AGM. Might be a little bit cheaper than this one. You'll probably like this better. And then back here, like all the other GoGos, it has the quick feather touch disassemble. So disassemble that, pick this up. This isn't very heavy. I think it's like, I'm not really sure the specs, but we'll talk to you about that in our demo video. Put this to the side. So real pretty. CT, the suspension system. And I'm just going to walk this back and connect the green lines to the green lines. You might have to practice with that a little bit. And then I'm going to take my front basket and attach it to the front. There's a little clip on these. Here's your light. You want to put that light down a little bit. And this won't move unless you push that in. So now you can turn it. And then drop my front basket. Might have to play with this just a tiny bit to get both connections in there. which take your seat post. These are just interchangeable. You can just pop these right off and put the gray color that came with it right on there. You do that all around it. So they give you a spare one to use, and then you take this cotter pin and you probably just want to stick that right through there, and now that won't come out. I'm not sure why they don't bolt these on, but it's how they do it. I guess make it easier storage. And then we'll put this in the basket for now. This your charger. Looks like all the other chargers. There's information in there. It says charge 100% before using it. We do that, so make sure you do it. They have a warning label. Put the key there, and we're going to take this off and grab the seat. All right, so this unit, when it came into us, this battery shipped separate, shipped all together, but it's in a different box, so you'll probably get 3 boxes, not just 2. So this is the lithium-ion inside of here. It's going to have big red labels. It can probably tell you charge 12 hours. Look, this thing's super light. Like this is the whole purpose of, let me see, that's a pinky in the rubber. I wouldn't do that, but I'm just showing you how light it is. It's probably, it's on the specs, I don't know, 4 pounds. So they make a larger size one that's going to get you a longer distance. This is the TSA approved one. So this can go on the airline, but you'll only get 7.5 miles, which is really low. The larger one will get you 14.4 miles. So the heaviest part on this unit, just real quick, is 40 pounds. So why they did this, they need this to be lighter, I don't know. But here's the color shroud. So it comes in the garnet and the Euro gray. These can be changed out all over this unit. You just pop them right up and change them to Euro gray. So since it's in the garnet, we're going to keep it in the garnet. So you're just going to connect these. You're going to want to put this on the charger for at least 12 hours before you use it. Usually that's what you do with everything but lithium-ion. This is super light. The LI, the GoGo Endurance. And then we'll put these in a basket. If someone wants to change it, we'll change it. So finishing up the unboxing, we'll do a review. We'll let you know if it's a unit that we'll probably keep selling. Don't forget that. So this seat again is like 23 pounds. You can get this in a 20 by 18 also. So it's going to keep the original seats that come on all the GoGos compared to the new Comfort-Trac, which is different. I'm just going to drop this right on here. And this battery pack. Pull this back. It does have your swivel. And then your arms. Kind of get it so it goes in there, and you'll do the same thing on the other side. Huh. Oh well, it's supposed to go all the way through. I don't even know why they even have these, but they do. So, and then repeat the process on the other side with the other arm. Right here. Just make sure this is all the way out. Slide it in. Tighten it down. And that's it. That's the new GoGo LI lithium-ion The model is the S54, so the LX, so they make the same unit with the regular AGM batteries, but the model on this is the S54LXLIT for lithium-ion. 4.2 miles per hour, 3.2 inches at the deck. Overall length's 42 inches. Overall width's 20.5. There's a lot of more specs. 8-inch tires by 2. Spring stock suspensions. Come apart. Pretty nice scooter. 2-year warranty on the batteries. 2-year on the electronics and the motor. Call me if you have a question. I don't know if this will be the right unit for you. We're going to test it out, see how we like it. It's kind of a new lithium-ion with a GoGo model, so we'll see how it goes. There's a lot of different GoGos out there, but this is the unboxing video. We'll do a demo on it later. Give us a call, 803-926-2224. Visit us online at affordablemedicalusa.com.